Good morning, students. Welcome to the very first online class. Today the date is 26th November, day is Thursday and month is November. It's winter season, we are wearing warm clothes and it's really cold outside. Being a Muslim, we should start our day by the name of Allah.
تعوذ أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم تسمية بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سورة الإخلاص قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد वलम यकुल लहू कुफुवन अहद। तर्जुमा, कह दीजिए वो अल्लाह एक है, अल्लाह बेनियाज है, उसकी कोई औलाद नहीं और ना वो किसी की औलाद है और कोई उसका हमसर नहीं। दुआ, रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा, रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा, रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। Translation: O Allah, increase my knowledge. तर्जुमा, ए अल्लाह मेरे इल्म में इजाफा फरमा। आमीन।
My dear students, this is our circle time. All my dear students, you are going to revise your oral syllabus with me. So let's get started. First subject is general knowledge and question number 1 is when Pakistan came into being. Answer is 14th August 1947. Now we are going to learn question number 1 from subject Islamiyat. How many pillars of Islam are there? Answer is there are 5 pillars of Islam: Tawheed, Namaz, Roza, Zakat, Hajj. Dear students, we also have to cover 2 rhymes this week. One, rain, rain, go away in English subject, and in Urdu, you are going to cover the rhyme from your textbook.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Abby wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
अल्लाह मेरे प्यारे अल्लाह, अल्लाह मेरे प्यारे अल्लाह, तू सबका मालिक है अल्लाह। तूने सूरज चाँद बनाए, तूने ही सब दरख्त उगाए। आँखें, नाक, हाथ और कान, ये सब हैं तेरा एहसान। अल्लाह मेरे प्यारे अल्लाह, तू सबका मालिक है अल्लाह।
Alhamdulillah students, we have covered our oral syllabus for the week number 1. I want all of you to revise and learn it by heart because all this syllabus is included in your exams and tests. Thank you so much students. Have a good day.